Good morning. So I get asked all the time, what do I eat? So I thought this morning I'm gonna literally show you what I have for breakfast pretty much every single day, unless it's like Sunday brunch day and I get to go have pancakes. So this is exactly what I do. So it's like a protein smoothie, and the first thing is that since I am acne prone, I want to be very careful what type of protein powder that I use. And so basically a lot of times it's going to be more of the plant-based vegan style of protein powders, and you want to be on the lookout though for the super greens like spirulina, chlorella, blue green algae. These ones are all very triggering to acne, and I don't dispute the health benefits to those super greens at all. They're very healthy for you, and unfortunately I can't take them because I'm very acne prone, and that's a major acne trigger. So when you look for a plant-based protein powder, you want to make sure it doesn't contain that or biotin. So the one I'm using today is called Plant Protein. You can check it out here. I'm sure we can get a link for you as well. So I'm going to start with 1 scoop of this. And then another one that a lot of you guys have been asking me about and has become very trendy and popular is collagen protein. And collagen protein is fantastic. It is great for the body, but let's be clear, just because you put collagen in your tummy does not mean that it produces new collagen in the skin. That would be similar to like you eat fish and you turn into a fish. Like that doesn't happen. But it is great for like inflammation. It's great for like even just like supporting the skin. But will it produce new collagen? No. So I like the Vital Proteins collagen peptides. Keep in mind they do make lots of versions these days, and they are not all acne safe, but this one is. So if you're unsure, just double check with me, because that's a bummer when you get the wrong one and then your skin starts breaking out and you don't know why. So 1 scoop of that. For me, I really try to get in as many greens as I can every day, which sometimes is hard when you're super busy. So I love throwing spinach in my smoothie, which sounds horribly disgusting, I know, but you can't even taste it, I promise you. So I get a big container of this every week, and I literally throw in a pretty good handful of spinach. So that way I get my greens in, I don't even taste it, it's super easy. Also, love blueberries, great antioxidant. This is like one of the power foods that I kind of suggest you make sure you eat every day. They're great for your overall health, great for your skin, great for everything. Plus they're amazingly tasty. So I always get just like the frozen bag at Costco because that's easy. So I'll throw some of those in. Oops. I put in like, I don't know, a half a cup or so. As you can see, I just wing it because I'm busy. So the next thing I put in, and I do this because, believe it or not, there are seasonal allergies in Arizona, which I was shocked at. I didn't think that I would have allergies out here, but local bee pollen is kind of shown to help your, like help with the allergy, like symptoms and stuff like that. And I don't know if it's entirely true. I think it helps me somewhat, but I like it. And the key behind bee pollen is you have to make sure you get it local, because if it's not from bees that are pollinating local plants, it's just not effective, because obviously it's the local plants that are causing you to have allergies. So I put a scoop, or I don't know, like that much in, just dump it in. And I'm going to grab some ice really fast, so hold on. Yay, because ice makes it better. And then last, I like to use almond milk. So this brand I like for almond milk because it doesn't contain carrageenan, which is basically like, they use it sort of as like a like an emulsifier binder in a lot of foods, and it's actually an algae. And if you've been around me long enough to know, algae for acne prone skin, not a good thing. So almond milk, yay! I'm gonna put this in. This is super weird being live with you guys. I feel like you're in my kitchen with me, or like I'm on a cooking show or something, which actually is like my dream. So maybe we'll do happen. I put in, I don't know, like a cup of almond milk, but I'm going to fill it up a little bit more with some water just so that I'm not using all the liquid for almond milk. And then in my handy dandy blender, I'm going to turn it on and let it run. And this is my smoothie for the day. So you can see, like, it looks kind of green. It doesn't taste nasty at all, but it's super yummy. So cheers. Have a great day.